Lucas County Commissioner Pete Gerken is calling for an audit of flock automatic license plate reader data after he found a 1-month review of those.
He's also asking Lucas County Sheriff Mike Navarre for a pause in the cameras and data sharing.
Anna Miller explains those findings and the response from law enforcement.
A month's worth of flock data is raising big concerns for Lucas County Commissioner Pete Gerken. He says his review found more than 900,000 searches of Lucas County data in a 30-day period, involving more than 3,200 law enforcement agencies, saying he wants to know exactly why that data is being accessed.
I think the time has come for Lucas County and the Lucas County Sheriff to take this seriously. That's a big number, that's hyperscale. There's lacking of evidence of how it's being used, and I'm calling for an audit.
He's also asking the Lucas County Sheriff to pause the cameras or at least the sharing of that data until the review is done. Gerken claims Sheriff Navarre was reluctant to hand over data at first and wishes the city, TPD, and the sheriff would all work together.
Sheriff and the Chief of Police in Toledo, why don't you work with us? We are not the enemy when we call for an audit. We're not trying to expose anything, but get some safeguards come in.
Sheriff Navarre said in a statement earlier this week he has no intention of pausing the use of these cameras or terminating the contract. Gerken also pointed to more than 71,000 searches from Houston, Texas agencies, but TPD Assistant Chief Kevin Braun says that number doesn't necessarily mean Houston was specifically searching Toledo.
Everybody who shares with Houston, their database would have been searched for that vehicle. It doesn't mean there was a hit. There might not have been a single hit in Toledo for any of those searches. It searches every database that shares with Houston.
Gerken says he's not trying to take this tool away, but wants more oversight and safeguards put into place. In Toledo, Anna Miller, WTOL 11.